All right, guys, this morning's tournament, we're at West Point in LaGrange, Georgia. And as you can see, it's a old gloomy day. It rained here pretty good yesterday. The water's got a lot of pollen on it, but it's not too stained. It's good color. So I'm gonna start on this rip wrap. And with this cloud cover, I'm gonna try some top water this morning. And I might go back down it with a crankbait. Well, right here on this edge, I'm gonna start off with a crankbait, but down that bank, I'm probably throw my whopper plopper and a some kind of stick bait. So let's get started. I see people coming in. I don't want them to get on top of me, and hopefully we can do something today. All right, as of right now, I don't see no activity. I would think with the water temperature being 64, that we would be getting a lot of fish on top. But I don't see anything. Hopefully that fishing not gonna be too tough today. Fish should be getting on bed about right now, so I'm gonna make sure I try some of that later on. But right now, I know all the fish are not sitting on bed. Some got to be out here trying to eat. Hopefully we get some good bites today. I want to catch some big fish. This time of the year, today is March 27th, so this is the time where the big boys come out and play. Hopefully they get on my hook. Because a lot of times, those fish won't even let you get 3 turns of the reel before they crush it. But with the whopper plopper, the best thing you can do with it is try to get it closest to the bank as you possibly can. Because a lot of times, those fish won't even let you get 3 turns of the reel before they crush it. And I got this whopper plopper on a medium heavy rod, but it's got a lot of bend in it, just to handle the big fish where they help where they can't throw the bait, because a lot of whopper ploppers are real heavy, and a lot of people lose a lot of fish on whopper ploppers just because they're heavy and the fish jump up and shake their head and spit the hook. But with this limber rod, it helps me play that a lot better than a regular stiffer rod would. I don't think he's gonna keep though. Yeah, he's a small keeper. I thought he was bigger than he was, but we can't be too choosy right now. There goes another one. He's too small. Trying to put a puzzle together. Maybe that's a piece of it. Just hit these points and hope for the best. I don't know.
That's the second one I've caught off that dock right there. I just had a bite before then. He bit my tail off. I don't know if that's him or not, but we'll take him. Is that a largemouth? He don't have no patch on his tongue. It sure don't look like a largemouth. Largemouth's got to be 14 inches, and this one is 13. But he don't have a patch on his. I don't know how to tell any other way. God dog. Ain't nothing I can do with it. You gotta keep catching them. Oh yes. I just had, it was 2 on this rattle trap. And one came off. I think I got the bigger one, which is a good thing. If it was 2 on there like that, it's got to be more sitting over there. So I'm gonna try to weigh this up real quick and get back in there. Oh, I'm up to 4.5 pounds. Boy, I'm really cooking today. Let's get back in there. Pull this other coil ring out of here real quick before I can see it. That limit looks so, well, ain't no limit yet, but it looks so small in there. I've caught some decent fish right here. That point goes all the way out here, probably 70, 80 feet off of the point there. And of course, the wind's blowing in on it too. So that might be a good recipe for some decent fish. A small one. He pulling like he a champ. He might be 12. Let's check him out. Come on, thing, get right, get right. Come on, you're not that big. Yeah, he 12. Well, that's a small limit. And I do mean small. Now I can start complaining. A whole limit of fish, 5 pounds. God almighty. Well, ain't nowhere but up from here. If nothing else, at least we can have some fun trying to catch some of these fish. There you go, rattle trap. Told you get back in the game. Oh hell, you faked me out with a stick. It's not funny. Alright, these fish just seem they don't want to bite no more, or they don't move. I'm on the back side of this point here. I was going down to that secondary point down there, but I caught that one fish that had the 2 fish on it at one time. Stopped me from doing that. So I don't want to give up on this. I think I'm gonna try to go around the front and go in that little oxbow. Ooh. 1 second here. He knocked the fire out of that. Like I said, I'm only fishing about 3 or 4 foot of water because I'm in 6 right here where I'm at. There you go. That can't help me. I need some 2s and 3s now, 2s and 3s. Seems like they done pulled up on this point right now. I don't know what you guys missed or what. The battery died in the GoPro. But I just had one come off. But they all look about the same size. So, I don't know. But they still biting though. I just hope, I'm just trying to ease around this point. To see if some bigger ones on the other side over here. Like I said, the wind is blowing into here too, so you would think there's some bigger ones on this bank just because the wind is blowing in on it. And whatever bait fish is around should be blowing in with it. I just put this jerk bait on and I just wanted to see if they react to that. Ooh, that was a big one, that was a big one, that was a big one. That was a big one. Jerk bait, come on now, don't start that. That's what today's word of the day, missed opportunities. There you go. That's a decent one now. Oh hell, that's a striper. Damn. Ah, damn. Ah, damn. Dang striper. Don't offend me, whatever you do. A dang striper. That's what the big. That's why he felt big. God damn. I guess stripers are fun too. They fun too. They need to eat too. But you know my saying, if you can follow my videos for any time, bass and stripers eat together.
Boat number 37, Robert Thomas. Jay Wilkerson, Robert Thomas.
I love spots. All right, so what do you think? I'm in boat number. Spots fight so hard.
Boat 37.
And that weight is 11 points. I guess. 11.81.
11.81.
That big fish.
4.72. Okay.
Not big enough. 5.41 is big fish.
49.
Yeah, 5.41 is big fish. 46. Name.
They're going downhill.
Yeah, I'm doing
16 point what? 16.67. Second place, 16.67.
Not gonna happen, but if you get 6, 7 plays, you're probably gonna get $100.
15.
200.
16.
Hotel if you had.
Alright. We're gonna check it again here.
All right out to the side.
15.67. 15.67. And a big fish. Ooh, that's a grown one there, y'all.
6.5.
7.53, new big fish. New big fish. Yeah, it's gonna take right at 9-10 pounds to get a check, y'all. Yeah. Right now it's looking like 10 pounds to get a check. You fishing Metro Atlanta Hawg Hunters, you need to bring your fish down. The scales will be closing shortly.
12.03.
12.03. Sound like it's in the check line. Yep.
No, 6.12.
Big fish is 7 pounds.
Oh, 7 pounds.
7 pounds. What's boat number? Boat number 3? McGuire and Smith. McGuire and Smith. 23.
And your weight is 10 point. 4. 0. 10.4.
Boat number? Boat 33. Who we got? Who we got? Cheeks and Phillips. Cheeks and Phillips. Cheeks and Phillips. They tuning up for the ride builders over.
Yeah. I still haven't had the opportunity to do this for a long time. 21.27.
21.27. New leader. New leader. 21.27.
Congratulations, Chief.
Congratulations, fellas. 21.27.
What we came for. Since some of us gonna have to go by Captain D's and get our fish, and the rest of us can go to Red Lobster. How about that? All right. Big World, are you here?
Hey, come.
You need to hurry down because you're holding up these people. We got something for you. Again, appreciate everybody come out. For Angler of the Year from Metro Atlanta, before we get to the money. Marcus, Big Fish, World.
No, you're supposed to say again.
Again.
And again.
And again. Come on.
Every time, ain't another year.
I know.
All right. Congratulations.
Hey, bro, you need a trophy case.
Hey
Congratulations.
man, come here for a minute.
Man, that's nice.
All right.
I said, come here for a minute.
Get that dust off.
Third place, Meadows and McDowell. All right, second place,
Webb and Garcia.
Webb and Garcia. Second place.
Good job,
All
fellas.
right.
Good job, guys.
Y'all hold that, y'all split it.
Good job, fellas.
We appreciate everybody that came out and fished. We had a good turnout. Look forward to doing it again next year.
First place.
First place
First place.
goes to our fellow club and guys who we fish against and all the time, our friends and everything. We appreciate them coming out. They support us all the time. How about Cheeks and Phillips? First place at 21.27.
And y'all hold that too? Oh, you gonna let me hold that. Y'all ready?
We appreciate everybody that came out, participated.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Paid out over $7,000. I think that's a pretty good payout.
It's a pretty good
The
day.
Cheeks and Phillips, they paid $150 and came went home with $2,500. No, I'll take it any day. Yes, sir.
Thank you, man. Congratulations again, guys. Big fish. Yeah, we were.
Again, we appreciate everybody that came out. Had a great payout. A lot of people went home with some money. Paid out over $8,000, $7,000 at least. And we appreciate everybody. We will do it again this time next year.